What's up, guys? Car review.
Car review of Texas hot stuff again.
I thought you were gonna mispronounce it.
Texas, but not Texas.
Texas.
Like Tex.
Apostrophe S.
You see it.
I don't know.
We got Forbidden Nudes. Not sure what it is, so we're just going to open it up and actually see what is inside.
You know what my thought is.
Kim thinks it's a brick of ramen with a little bit of seasoning.
Jayson has no idea.
No idea. It could be a brain. Ah! Hello?
Why is it black?
Oh. Why are you...
Is that
now
why...
I have to hold it?
Is that why... Yeah. Is that why it's forbidden?
I don't know. Piece broke off. Now I gotta try it.
Why does it taste like licorice? Or why does it smell like licorice?
Okay, it gotta be cooked.
Wow! Did you just spit on my window?
No, I spit it out the window.
Shock.
Okay. Well, it's a black
Ramen.
forbidden noodle.
And there's like a saucy, little bit of a saucy sauce. There's a powder packet. And my gag reflex right there.
Hello?
I would gag on every single one of those.
Cool. Alright, well, I guess in one of our videos coming up, we will be trying this.
Without the seeds.
Yeah, seeds on side, maybe.
Jayson can have the seeds.
Well, that's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting just a brick of black noodles.
I was expecting straight up ramen.
We're going to try this today, though. It looks pretty hot.
Is that what makes it forbidden?
Don't know.
Black noodle.
Alright. Oop. Oop. Oh.
Give me the cap. I want to pull them off.
It smells like a vinegar.
Smells like hot.
Kind of smell a little hot. But mostly vinegar smell. Alright. So, Kim's hot scoop.
I cut myself.
Got the hot scoop with the K for Kim. Ready, Kim? Oh, it's blue!
I told you it was blue!
It came out like water.
You go first.
That was crazy.
I really thought you were just going to slurp it out of the bag.
I was. This is for you.
No. Take a little slurpy slurp.
I don't know what that is.
There's so much orange in there, it makes me nervous.
It's not hot.
The look of pure concentration on your face.
It's not hot at all.
No, I want to just do a slurpy slurp.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to
what is that?
I'm trying to put a finger on what it tastes like.
I really wish that I could like accurately show you this blue. But look at all of the oil. Like, do you see all of that?
What
all
is
that
it?
orange? It's vinegar.
Yeah, it's apple cider vinegar, I think. But there's a flavor in there that I just can't.
Tacos.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe that's from the...
Cumin? It's like a juice box.
It is.
It's like a taco flavored juice box.
It definitely tastes like taco.
It's got a little bit of something in there though, like pepper wise.
I don't know. I just drank a lot of it for some reason. I like the blue.
And that's actually really good.
Yeah.
Maybe put that in the pan while you're cooking the ground beef for tacos.
Right. That's pretty good.
Because it's liquidy.
Pretty good. But yeah, it's mostly like vinegar. But it doesn't have that sour vinegar taste.
It does have a little bit.
A little bit, yeah. But it's not as forward.
It
smells pretty good.
I might just soak meat.
I would definitely check them out. Don't know what this is going to taste like.
But we're going to try it
The dried noodle didn't have any flavor, as far as I could tell. I couldn't bite into it either.
Because it was uncooked.
It was uncooked. But not too shabby. Got a little cough.
Yeah.
Still a little sick. Uncle Bulkow sent me a crazy ass challenge. Should be here Friday, it says. So I probably will be taking that on this weekend by myself.
Why? I'm not there to call 911.
It's definitely going to be a 911. It's like 2 pieces of doomsday jerky and a sandwichin'.
A sandwichin'?
It's sandwichin' a bunch of powder and crystals and tinks and...
Name this movie quote. Call IXII.
What?
What Disney movie?
I don't know.
Hercules.
Oh.
When they're trapped under the rock as boys. They're like, help me, mister, call IXII. 911 in Roman numerals.
Yeah, I got you.
So if I get IXII.
Yeah, if I just send you that text.
Because I'm not with him this weekend.
Yeah, she will be up there hanging out with Beth.
BF!
Prepping for the wedding.
My bestest friend.
Oh, I had something else to say, and then now I have IXII stuck in my head.
You're welcome.
Don't know. Oh, the GFY challenge. I'll be testing that this weekend again. Hopefully it's going to be hot. Finally up to par. And then I can start filtering and bottling that up.
I leave him alone for a weekend and he just inflicts so much pain on himself.
Yep. That's what I got to do. Don't have Rydo run around and make me nervous.
Right.
Like I'm trying to hurt myself.
Cramping on the floor and she comes over and accidentally kicks you in the stomach because she doesn't pay attention to where she's at.
Yeah, she might just...
She did that to me last night.
Did she? Yeah.
She like fell on me and I was like, did you just elbow drop me? She was like...
Heck yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much what we got going on. We'll probably be back tomorrow to do the last hot sauce. I think there's one more that's supposed to be stupid hot.
16 mil.
Yeah.
I will just magically disappear from this car.
She'll just evaporate.
And levitate out the window.
Yep. Levitate.
Oh, it was on my finger. It just got it in my eyeball.
Oh no. But alright. Oh, there is a mystery nugget thingy. Don't know.
Mystery nugget.
I'm gonna have to go to their site and see what it looks like and see if that's what the Diablo challenge thing is and what it is. Actually, I don't know. I might end up doing that here at work. Don't know.
Ow.
Could be an good excuse to go home.
Please.
If I cramp.
Right now. Let's go.
Alright. Hope you guys have a good day.
I'm gonna go rinse my eye out.
Kim stabbed herself in the eye with a pickle. Not my pickle.
I got a pickle. I got a pickle. I got a pickle for nickel. Hey, hey, hey. I don't know why my brain is going to movie quotes right now. It burns.
Bye, guys.
Do you know what movie that was from?
No, what?
Little Rascals.
Oh my god.